difference between weak and strong acids is that strong acids and bases fully dissociate when put in solution, like hydrochloric acid, for example, dissociates into the hydronium ion and the chloride ion. Weak acids and bases only partially dissociate, which means there's an equilibrium that is established between the acid or base and the ions that are established, like acetic acid. When we measure the pH of a solution, we're simply measuring the concentration of hydrogen ions in that solution. To do that, we use a pH meter. The first step, as you can see, is to wash off the probe of the pH meter using deionized water. After you rinse the probe, shake off the excess water and then put it in the solution you'd like to test the pH of. Gently swirl around the probe in the solution. While doing this, observe the pH on the meter for any changes. Wait for the pH to stabilize and then record your reading. For instance, here we have 7.02. Once you've recorded the pH of your solution, you'll then rinse off the probe with deionized water again. This is done to decontaminate and make sure there's no other solutions on the end of the probe that may alter your reading of the pH. This process is done multiple times just to ensure that the pH that we are measuring is accurate. After you measure the pH of your solutions, ensure that there is data that is recorded for each of the solutions. The solutions we measured today were buffer solutions. A buffer solution is simply a solution that resists change in pH. These can either be alkaline or acidic depending on the nature of the buffer system. Typically, it's a combination of a weak acid or weak base and one of its salts. When acid or base is added to a buffer solution, it has little effect on the pH because of the way that hydrogen and hydroxide ions combine with the ions that are already in the solution.